Hannah, Tom, here we are at your wedding. How does that feel?
Surreal.
This is very surreal, but it's amazing. I will never forget the way you look in this incredible backdrop.
We've built a relationship on a strong foundation over many years. We've created a life I could never have imagined, and you've shown me a love that I didn't even know existed. You've always been the one, and you'll always be the one. I love you with all my heart, Thomas Perrin.
Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other, to accept the other person in his or her entirety, as a companion, as a lover, and as a friend.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. You look absolutely amazing. Oh wow, darling.
What?
You look so good.
Thomas, you've been a monumental figure in my life for the past 15 years. The moment I met you, I knew you were unlike anyone I've ever known. Whether it was the exciting life that you led, your incredible dance moves, your smooth British accent, or the smell of burning hair and Sambuca, I knew you would have a lasting impact on me.
Good it feels to be here with you today. Who'd have thought that 15 years ago, when we first met, we'd be here right now on the top of this mountain. I'm so incredibly happy that we finally chose each other. I love you so very much.
Tom, do you take Hannah to be your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do, Wilma.
Hannah, do you take Tom to be your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and respect as you create your future together?
I do. With this ring,
We forge a new path.
and our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
I'm honored to call you mine, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives exploring our love and exploring the world. The world is our lobster, my love. And today is our new beginning.
The rest of our lives is going to start right now, and I just can't wait to do it with you. I love you, man.